Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yes, Bache, good morning. Did you see the division issued by CBSE for 2 terms? Yes or no? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So today is a very special day. Mannat has joined us, Bani has joined us, Janvi has joined us. Huh? Anything special today? Hmm? Girls, anything special today, beta? Letters have reached? Short attendance? Not yet. Are yes, no to bolo bacha. The letters have reached or not yet?
No, ma'am, not yet.
But they are almost to be dispatched from the
Ma'am,
school.
which letter?
Letters of short attendance, you need not worry about that. You have been very, very regular. So you don't need to worry about this. This is letters of short attendance to be dispatched. Anyways, children, that is your problem. Let me move on to what I was discussing. Have you seen the syllabus bifurcation done by CBSE for class 12? Yes or
Ma'am,
no?
not
Yes,
open. No, ma'am.
not yet seen. Not yet seen. But the CBSE has given very clear instructions that the entire syllabus should be divided into 2 parts, first term and second term. The first term, we are going to have it somewhere in November. According to the guidelines of CBSE, we'll have the first term in November. And they have divided the syllabus and they have told us that whatever your assessment is for the first term, those chapters will not be included in the second term. So your syllabus for the annual exams is not going to be the entire syllabus, and this is for all subjects. Only half of the syllabus will be assessed for your annual exams. This part is clear for all? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
And we are not free to do whatever we want. They have decided. The CPSE has decided that which chapters will be put in the first term and which chapters will be put in the second term. So this is what makes us feel you never know. We may have question papers also coming from CBSE. We don't know as of now. Nothing has been made clear. But they've given the entire country the same syllabus. That in first term you need to do this, in second term you need to do this. And it's going to be an MCQ pattern. Is it okay? Certain projects are also mentioned there. It's going to be an MCQ pattern for all of you. Till here I'm okay. So how many terms you want to have?
Two terms.
Two terms.
Whatever comes in the first term will not be included in the second term. Just remember this.
Second.
It's Hanji Bache. So it's very simple. The syllabus has become half for you. It's very easy for you now. If you see, it's going to be very, very easy for you, beta. Earlier in board exams, you remember the previous batch who went for boards. They had to give the entire syllabus in the annual examinations. You don't have to do that. Whatever you have done till half, you will not have to go and give further. So this part has become easy for you. Second part, have you discussed with other teachers about these subjects, syllabus and all, or not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some chapters, yes, some chapters have been put for simply as a revision or a project work can be taken from them. That way it has become very easy. So did you see, has anyone seen that detail or nobody has yet seen? Bolo beta, seen?
I have, ma'am.
You have downloaded?
Yes, ma'am. I put on.
Yes, ma'am. Of every subject.
Good, good. You've done it for all the subjects?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
That is nice. So can we have
Yes,
the
ma'am.
writing section? Yes, can we have the writing section being discussed here? Tell me quickly. One of you read down all that we have to do. In 12th, we don't have grammar, so nothing to worry. Tell me in writing section, read out. One of you read out what all has to be done.
Yes,
Yes, your friends are also here, joined. Let them also know a bit. Those who have not seen. Somebody is speaking or should I speak?
ma'am. In term one, yes, ma'am. In term one, we have a short writing task like notice writing of 3
Yes.
+ 5 marks and classified advertisements and
Yes.
letter to editor, a
Yes.
suggestion or opinion on issues of public interest, and article writing. Total 8 marks.
Yes. So basically, you have four things, beta. First is notice. Now, the regular students, please answer my question. Have you done notice writing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We read about 7 categories of
Yes, ma'am.
notice. We have done notice writing. Second is your advertisements. Have you finished advertisements, children?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Wanted bride, groom, to let, vehicle for sale. Okay. Lost and found. We've done so many advertisements also we have done. Now tell me the third one, that is letter to the editor. Have you written letter to the editors?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So we are left with the fourth part, that is the last part, that is article writing. What is it? Article writing. Now you just tell me article writing is very easy. I'll just give you some clues. You have to just mix them up and write an article. Children, tell me what you want to revise now. Because I'm almost done with the writing section. Grammar is not there in your syllabus. I still have time. You tell me what you want to revise. I'm giving you the options because most of you have not taken the classes. So because you are coming, let's start again. Bygones are bygones. Forget about it. I have forgotten. You also forget. Please be regular now. Tell me, notice, advertisements, or letter to editor?
advertisements.
Ma'am, advertisement.
Not advertisement.
Okay. You would like to know classified advertisements. Very good. What is the difference between there are
मैम
two types of?
इन्विटेशंस वन वाला करवा दीजिए आप.
Yes, beta. What are you saying? Say again.
मैम इनविटेशन वाला जो था ना मैम जिसमें हम लोग इनविटेशन देते थे फॉर
Beta, वो first term में it is not mentioned over here.
Ma'am, it's
Anshika,
in
you read out.
second term.
Anshika, you read out for the first term, na?
Yes, ma'am. It's in
Can you
second
read out?
term.
That is not there. Devanshu हमने कर लिया है, but it is not included in the first term. वो अभी आएगा ही नहीं. It will come in the second term. Although we have done, so we can revise it later. Okay. So let me revise advertisements with you. What are we going to revise, children?
Advertisement.
Yes, very quickly. There are two types of advertisements. Anyone? One is classified advertisement and the other is a display advertisement. How many types of advertisements are there, beta?
Classified and
Yes,
display.
classified and
Yes.
display. And ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, in term one, we have reading comprehensions also, unseen passages and case-based unseen passages.
Yes, beta. That too we know. It's basically, I'll give you a graph or a pie chart and then some questions will be asked, which you have done in class 11th. Okay.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask something.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell how MCQ will come for writing section? Like, they will fill in the blank.
We cannot have MCQs for writing section, but in September we'll have half yearlies, which will be subjective. November, these exams are going to be objective. But in September, the school is going to take half yearlies. Yes. If you have read about the circular of CBSE, it says apart from these two exams, the CBSE, the schools will conduct 3 more assessments of the students. And that is entirely the choice of schools how to take. So total, we are going to have 5 assessments. 2 done by the CBSE, the half yearly and the finals. And the rest, the UT part, if you can say, the 3 tests are to be conducted by the school only. So writing section, we'll be taking it in September. Whatever marks you have will be added on to your November exam and sent to the CBSE. Okay. So I'm starting with advertisement, children. There are 2 types of advertisement, display and classified. Display is not there in your syllabus. It is cut now. Display advertisement, let me tell you what is a display advertisement. Supposing I open a boutique. So I have to plan out a poster. I'll make some good designs and some good pictures. And there is no word limit. I'll write as much as I want to. Okay, I can draw. I can take as much space as I want. Such kind of advertisements are display advertisements. But that they are not there in your syllabus, they are cut now. You have to do only the second category, that is classified. Which is the advertisement you need to do?
Classified.
Yes, classified. See, classified advertisements are those which are printed in the classified columns of newspapers. Means you're going to publish them in magazines or newspapers. Understand the difference between both of them. We generally do not draw pictures, cartoons in such kind of advertisements. Second difference is they're very small because you have to pay for every word. If you're publishing it in a newspaper or a magazine, you have to pay for every word, beta. And the word limit, according to CBSE guidelines, is not more than 50. If your advertisement exceeds 50 words, you'll have negative marking. Okay, am I clear? We're talking about which advertisements, classified or display?
Classified.
Yes, display is not our syllabus. Supposing I'm opening a beauty parlor and I will be putting a display advertisement, then it will be very different from a classified advertisement. I can make a big poster, I can make pictures, I can write as much as I want to. But in classified advertisements, it's quite different data. What is the word limit?
Not more than 50.
Yes, it should not be more than 50. I'm taking up one type of, although I have already done this. I'm just taking up as a revision. I'm taking up matrimonials today. Matrimonial advertisements, classified advertisements, they're matrimonials. Let me start this. What are the details which are required? Appearance and age, education, profession, service profession, income. When they say income, don't write 30,000, 40,000, don't do that. Age, height, caste, qualities, email address, phone number, this is optional. If you do not want to disclose your phone number or email ID, you can end with box number. Okay? Simply, I'll show you examples, box number, and then mention the heading as what? Is it bride wanted or is it bridegroom wanted? Please read the details very quickly. Let me start with this. A highly placed IT professional settled in UK seeks matrimonial alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of good status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. See, beta, look at the first point. Appearance and age. Is it mentioned about this boy?
Yes, ma'am.
What is his age?
29 years. 29.
What is mentioned about his appearance?
Handsome, tall.
Any mention about caste or religion?
Yes, ma'am. Punjabi family.
Very good. What about education and profession? Anything mentioned about the boy?
IT professional.
Let's talk
IT
about the requirements. What are the requirements they're looking for in the girl?
Beautiful,
NRI
educated,
settled in
cultured,
London.
and tall
CEO.
girl.
Culture
No,
and
no,
all
no, no,
girl.
no. You're getting confused. I'm asking what are their requirements? What are they looking for in the bride?
Beautiful,
Devansh?
educated, cultured,
Beautiful,
and tall
educated,
girl.
cultured and tall girl.
25 years.
So, how to contact? What are the contact details which are given?
The email addresses, email ID.
Email ID.
Yes. If I don't want to disclose my email ID or my phone number, then I can simply write what? Box number. I'll simply say that apply to this box number. Please see this small advertisement. This is taken from a newspaper, sample advertisement from a newspaper. This Garg boy. Please read it quickly and let's answer questions. Seen beta? Alliance for a Garg boy. What should be the heading? Bridegroom wanted or bride wanted?
Bride wanted.
Bride wanted.
Because we are giving the details for groom. We are looking for an alliance for a boy. Okay, one of you read out the advertisement. What all is mentioned about the boy? Yes. Tell me, he's a Garg boy. This I know. What else? Read out. Come on, children. You all know how to read. Okay, let me
Alliance
ask.
for good.
Earning.
What does this
90.
1984 mean? What does this 1984 mean?
Ma'am, the age, the birth year of the boy.
Birth year.
Yes. See how smartly they have cut short on the words. Very smartly. This is what is needed when you write a classified advertisement. You need to convey everything in minimum words. They've written 1984/57. What is this 57?
Height.
Height. So without using any words, that the age is this, the height is used very smartly, everything is conveyed over here. PGDBM. Okay, what is PGDBM?
Name of the company.
No, this is not the name of a company. This is a qualification, postgraduate diploma in
Qualification or
business. Yes, it's a qualification, postgraduate diploma in business management. PGDBM, postgraduate diploma in business management. So they are not mentioning that these are the educational qualifications, simply PGDBM, company secretary. So he has got two qualifications. One is PGDBM and the second is?
Company secretary.
Company secretary.
Very good. He's done his CS also. What about his income?
5 lakh per annum.
Very good. What do you mean by per annum, children?
Per year.
Per year.
Very.
3 years.
He's working as, where is he working?
Professor in finance.
Ma'am.
Assistant professor in finance and
Very good. So he's working as an assistant professor. Let's see what all is their requirement. Fathers, they've given details about the father also. Tell me what are the detail about father.
father's aluminium factory.
Okay. And they have also mentioned that where do they live? Where do they live?
Residing in
Shakarpur.
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 Okay. Basically Delhi. Okay. And then they've given the email ID. Can you count how many words are there in this advertisement? Do not include mathematical numbers. You don't have to pay for that. Like 1984/57, that you don't have to count.
About 40 to 45.
I'm
Mm,
20. Around 20
Sorry,
to
ma'am.
25.
I'm 20. Yes, sir. 20 to
Around
25.
20 words.
see, this is what is called a smart advertisement when you're giving it in a newspaper. But when you're writing for an exam, make it 40 to 42 words so that you get marks which you deserve. But this is the best way of writing an advertisement. Let's read about the next one. Alliance. Tall, dynamic, successful. Yes. What is the next word?
Entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. It's not entrepreneur. That is why I wanted you people to pronounce it's entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur?
A business
A self-made
person.
businessman or woman.
Yes, very good. A businessman. Okay, so they're telling about the boy. He's the son of a cultural, well settled, affluent South Bombay family. What is affluent?
Well to do.
Yes, well to do, rich South Bombay settled family seeks proposals from truly beautiful, well matched, independent girls from veg Hindu families. So, what is the requirement for the bride? One little different requirement which has come, which we did not see in the earlier two advertisements. What is it, Peter?
I'm veg Hindu.
Vegetarian.
Very good, very good, very nice. So basically, they are having their own priority as they're looking for veg families only. And then they've given the email and they want, see, there's something different at the last also. Email profile and
Pictures.
pics.
Pictures.
So yes, they just don't want the email from the bride's family. They also want the pics of the bride. So rather than writing as a sentence that please send the pics or something, simply how they have added over here, email profile and pics to this gmail.com. This is how they have planned. This is also a very short advertisement. They've told you everything about the boy, boy's family, girl, what all they're looking for. Children, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please read the question, self-assessment, first question. Let us discuss. We are not going to write anything, don't worry. We'll just be discussing. Read the question quickly, plan your points, I'll discuss.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter. Have you read the question?
ma'am, I was asking, ma'am, this seven-figure annual salary means 7 pay commission, something like that.
No, this does not mean seventh pay commission. Can anybody tell me what does this mean?
Ma'am, around 7 lakh.
About the salary that the first salary
Around 7 lakhs.
7 figures that is it has
Not
7
Yes.
exactly. Chalo,
I'm
we'll
around
discuss.
around 10 lakhs. Having 7
Okay.
digits in the salary.
See, 7-figure salary actually means having 7 digits, beta. Understand? If my monthly salary is 10 rupees, then I'm 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 18 rupees, up to 99. It's a 2-digit salary. If my salary is somewhere in hundreds, supposing I say I earn 500 rupees a day or 800, my maximum limit would be what? 999, correct? Yes?
Yes,
Three,
ma'am.
3 digits. So I'll be in a
Yes,
3-digit
ma'am.
salary. If I say 1000 to 999, how many digits am I?
4
Get
digits.
me? 4 digits. So simply keep adding 10 this side and 999 that side. So if I say 1 and 6 zeros, so this starting from here to 7 times 9, that is going to be a 7-digit salary. Should I explain again or you've understood, Bichi?
I'm understand.
Okay, let's start. Let's start the advertisement. What is the heading?
Bride wanted.
Bride
Yes. And when you write
wanted.
bride wanted, is it going to be the entire thing capital? All the letters?
No, the
No,
first of
first letter, first letter.
it's
Yes. Only the B and the
W.
W. Very
W.
good. Only the B and the W will be capital in bride wanted. Very nice. Okay, one of you start. I want the first sentence. Speak.
Ma'am, Alliance invited. Alliance
Everybody can
invited
speak,
for
but one at a time.
Alliance invited for a handsome Brahmin boy, BTech, IIT, and MBA IM, working as a multinational. Around the salary around 7 figures and per annum.
Okay. Continue.
Wanted a Brahmin girls, highly educated and culture girl between 20 to 24, at least 5 feet 10 inches tall.
Continue.
And send details and photo at adv Lucknow at the rate gmail.com.
Children, can you guess approximately how many words it must be?
It is around 20 to 25.
Acha, so much you spoke only 20 to 21.
Now 40 words around.
It must be around 40 words, no doubt. Did he miss out anything which should be there?
Email address is already mentioned.
So we'll go according
Ma'am,
to
the
what is
contact number.
मैम बट मैम इन्होंने तो ऐसे लिखा है कि मतलब गिव कांटेक्ट एज नंबर मतलब एज एन एग्जांपल ही दे हैव गिवन
What example they have given my child? Read.
गिव द कांटेक्ट नंबर एज 77895 and email address.
Yes, that means when you're making an advertisement, you're writing, then you should give this as your phone number. 7789 cross whatever, and this only should be the mail ID. Whenever it is mentioned that use this, then use this only. Okay, beta? Okay, I want one more child to speak
Yes
out.
मैम इतना सफिशिएंट है या उससे ज्यादा मतलब
No, it
जोड़ना
is
होगा
okay, okay. It's okay, Devansh, okay. 42 to 45 is okay. Yes, one more child, please read out.
May I?
Yes, beta, start.
Alliance invited for a handsome, tall, and IT professional, BTech, IIT, and MBA IIM, working in a multinational company, around 7-figure annual salary, and a 32 years old Brahmin boy wanted a cultured and educated girl between 24 to 26 years and at least 5 feet 3 inches tall and no caste barrier and send details and photos on contact number and email ID.
Spoken, beta. Very good. Very nicely spoken. Given all the details, the given number and given ID is there. Okay, children, tell me if I want to make a little change. I do not want to disclose my number or ID. Then what should be mentioned here?
Box number.
Box number.
Post box number. You always mention it as post box number so and so. Yes, anyone else, or should I take up the next question? Let's go to the next question. I want two more different students to speak now. Yes, beta. Read the second question.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I'm not able to see the question.
Okay. We are going to go to the second question of self-assessment, beta. I was just wanting to ask before I scroll down, is there anyone else who has planned and would like to speak?
I can speak.
Okay, speak. Others will read the question. Speak, beta.
Alliance invited for a 32-year-old Brahmin boy, BTech, IIT, and MBA, IIM, working in a multinational company with a 7-figure annual salary, wanted a beautiful, highly educated girl between 21 and 24 years. Send details at the given email and the given number.
Very good, Bani. Very well planned. Very few words selected and very nicely spoken. Good, Bache. You people should take initiatives. That is how it is. Good, Bache. Very nice. Read the second question. Let's plan out. Let's read the question very quickly. Then we can discuss the answers also. Yes, write an advertisement for the matrimonial column of the Times of India for a suitable match for a fair, beautiful Jatap girl, 30 years old, working as a teacher in a government school in Delhi, and give the contract address as CO care of box MA so and so. Why is this box mentioned here?
Ma'am, it's a box number.
Yes, that means the
Ma'am, because they don't want to close
The
their
email will not
Disclose their
disclose email
address.
and phone number.
Exactly. They do not want to disclose. They don't want anybody to contact them directly. So they're not disclosing their phone numbers and mail IDs. There are many, many. If you pick up a newspaper and you go for the classified pages or matrimonial, generally on Sundays, you will find it in newspapers. So many of them mention it as a box number only, so that people do not call them directly. At times, it's difficult. So let's plan this out. Giving you a minute. Let me see who will speak. There were some strange things mentioned here, like they had mentioned about veg family, father's aluminum factory. I would suggest avoid all these things. Okay, beta. And I will also suggest one thing, until and unless the caste is mentioned, do not write it. Because some people, once they're correcting, they may not like it. You're getting my point? Everybody has a different perception of looking at things. Some people agree, okay, this is your viewpoint, I'm okay with it, I'm happy. This is your viewpoint, I have no problems with it. But there are certain people who are not of this nature. They do not generally agree with the other people's viewpoints. So they say, oh, this person is being casteist. Why do this? Let's cut marks. So to be on the safer side, if at all the caste is not mentioned, you do not mention it. Done, dear? Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, here it is very clearly mentioned. So you have to do it. But if it is not mentioned, then avoid doing it. However, small things like you can write Punjabi, South Indian, North Indian, these are all okay. But avoid using caste words like Brahmins, these kind of things, avoid doing it. Chalo bache, kaun bolenge now? Who's going to speak out? She's a fair, beautiful Jatap girl. She's 30 years. So she must be having her priorities for the groom. Let's see. Chalo, start.
May I?
Yes, beta, start.
Alliance for Jatav girl, fair, beautiful, 30 years old, working as a teacher in a government school in Delhi. Educated and cultured boy between 32 to 35, at least 5 feet 8 inches tall. Box number MA 4567.
Yes, Janvi, very good. Good effort. Very well planned. Few words expressed everything which was needed. Very nice. Very nice. Too good, beta. Okay. Anyone else? Come on. We still have about
Ma'am,
3-4
may I?
minutes. Yes, dear. Please. Yes. Please start.
Ma'am, may I?
Bridegroom wanted. Alliance invited for a fair, beautiful Chatham girl, 30 years, working as a teacher in government school in Delhi. Wanted a handsome, tall, and cultured boy, 30 to 35 years, working as an engineer. No caste restrictions. Send details on the box number.
Very good, Sony. Nicely planned. The girl is 30 years. You're looking for a boy somewhere 30 to 35 years. And the best part you mentioned is no caste restrictions. Okay. Because here it was not mentioned that the boy should be Jatav. They just mentioned that the girl is a Jatav. So good. You've taken up that part. Nicely planned. Very good. Yes. Who's coming up next? I think I still have about 3 minutes. Speak, beta.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta. Please start.
Alliance invited for a fair, beautiful, 5 foot tall, 30 years Jatav girl working as a teacher in government school, looking for a highly educated, cultured, and well-settled boy in Delhi of 5'6", tall and about 30 to 34 years old.
Very good, Samya. Very nicely planned.
Only Jatav.
Continue. Can you give a box number,
Only
Samya?
Jatav families. Yes, ma'am.
Continue. Continue, बच्चे. I think some audio problem, but she was mentioning that only Jata families to be considered something like this. Probably she's taken up because the caste is mentioned for the girl. See, it's entirely your discretion. One child just now said no caste barrier. The other is saying only Jata family is considered. So it's entirely your decision. You can take up anything, but I would always suggest you to be a little liberal, broad-minded in writing such advertisements. You don't know who's going to check your sheets. So children, let's have a quick review. How do we start? What should be the heading of such matrimonial advertisements? If you're looking for a girl, then the heading should be
Bride wanted.
Bride wanted.
yes. Or you can write alliance invited for a boy, but it would be too big. And if you're looking for a boy, then
Bridegroom wanted.
two things to be taken care of. The
Bridegroom
box
wanted.
has, yes, beta, bridegroom wanted. The box has to be made. You lose your marks if you forget to make a box. So put it in your mind very nicely that in case I'm writing an advertisement, I have to make a box. There are marks for this also. And what should be the word limit?
40 to 50.
Under 50 words. 40
Do
to
not
40.
exceed 50 words. Okay. Do not exceed 50 words. Chalo, we are done with the class. Hardly 30 seconds left. Let's meet tomorrow. God bless you all. We'll take up a different kind of advertisement.
Thank you,
God bless
ma'am.
you, children. We'll take up a different advertisement tomorrow. Okay. Okay, beta. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, bache.